ChatGPT and how you can rank high on Google when creating blog content with ChatGPT. I will also show you how you can make ChatGPT generated text more readable and look more like a human being has created it, because otherwise, if you don't edit your text, then Google might not rank your content. And you can sign up for free at openai.com for free account. Prompts that you can use. A prompt is a instruction to ChatGPT you want help with, and you can write a request here and then hit that send button. But if you want to save time and do more work at once, I'm going to show you some prompts here now. I'm going to get to do a review on Divi, as I use Divi Builder when creating websites. So write me a Divi review. That is one request, but then to add another you need to push the shift button and enter to add another request, like that. And you can have different commands here. I'm gonna have it write in a positive tone. It can write in any tone you want. If you want to have a negative review about something, then it can do that. But let's now test this with a positive tone. There you go. You can add a lot more. Edit that, and then you hit send. So here it's created a positive review on Divi theme. As it says, sure, here's a positive review of Divi, and then we're gonna copy some of this text to change it to more fluent written text. And then we're gonna go to a site called quillbot.com. Rephrase 125 words at a time. You can use it for free and update the page and rephrase more text, or you can upgrade to put in more words, but use fluency so it sounds more human, everyday. Yeah, you know, and that your blog may warn you that it's difficult to read, so choose fluency there. Paraphrase button. It has paraphrased the text I put in, and then you can just mark it and copy it to your blog and paste it in there. When it's come to SEO, make sure that you put in your keywords in the text, and also maybe keywords that is connected somehow to your main keyword. And another thing is that you should link back. You have about the same or nearly the same subject. By doing that, Google will see that you have more quality content, and that will help you rank as well. And then you're of course gonna share it as much as possible on social media. It's also good to rank for link to the page that has the top search results ranking for your keywords. Try to choose a blog or a site that it's not a competitor. If it is, then mark the link as no follow, so we don't build other people's income. Would you like to have your own e-commerce store or any kind of store set up in minutes and get other tools to help you build your business online as well as a blog, then click the link below to start for free through a 14-day free trial. Thanks so much for watching and have an awesome day. Bye bye.